I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Manage the blood gauge as your primary resource. It fills to 100 and regenerates only when you land hits or use bleed drains. Normal attacks form a predictable 3-hit chain. Cancel the third hit directly into a low-cost blood move to extend combos and apply stagger. Only way has 2 charge states. Tap for a quick puncture, hold for 0. 8 seconds to convert damage into burst control and extra range, and track the gauge so you never overcommit and leave yourself resourceless. Execute tight inputs. Tap light twice, press heavy once, then blood plus forward to deliver a 5-point knockdown combo that sets up frames for follow-ups. For bleed stacking, cancel the third light into blood plus back, which applies a 12% bleed per hit and stacks up to 3 times for layered damage. When you need range, use jump cancel on the second heavy to link into aerial only way. That aerial version extends reach by about 40% and maintains pressure while preserving ground gauge economy. Adopt a layered plan. Feint a charged only way by holding then releasing a quick tap to bait parries and punish for roughly 25% guaranteed damage on average. If the opponent holds 60 or more gauge, shift to defensive play. Burst ruptures at that level can bypass standard blocking and punish overcommitments. To break guarded foes, alternate low blood moves with high heavies to overwhelm shields. A successful guard break gives you enough time to land a full combo and reset tempo in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.